Want to display your iPhone's screen on your Tesla's display? This is called screen mirroring, and it's easy to set up. It allows you to access apps, navigation, music, and calls directly from your iPhone on your Tesla's touchscreen. Since 2021, Tesla has integrated Apple's CarPlay, making this possible. To mirror your iPhone screen to a Tesla, you need specific compatibility requirements. First, your iPhone should be running iOS 8 or later, with iOS 18 recommended for the best experience and latest features. Your Tesla vehicle needs software version 11 or higher, with version 13 or above providing optimal performance and the latest stability improvements. Additionally, both your iPhone and Tesla must have Bluetooth version 4.0 or higher, and Wi-Fi should be enabled on both devices for reliable wireless connection. You can connect your iPhone to your Tesla wirelessly or with a cable. Wireless is preferred, using Wi-Fi Direct for fast data transfer without cables. If you experience interference, a wired connection using a USB-C to USB-A cable provides stable, lag-free mirroring. First, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. On your Tesla touchscreen, go to Settings, then Software, and check for updates if needed. This ensures compatibility with the latest CarPlay features. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings, go to General, then CarPlay. Make sure your Tesla is paired via Bluetooth first, then select it from the available cars list. Now, in your Tesla, tap the phone icon on the central touchscreen. Select CarPlay from the options and follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the wireless pairing process. Finally, enable Wi-Fi on both your iPhone and Tesla. Your iPhone will prompt you to allow the CarPlay connection over Wi-Fi Direct. Once connected, your iPhone screen will mirror to the Tesla display. Once connected, your Tesla screen will mirror your iPhone display. You can now access apps like Maps, Spotify, and Messages directly on the Tesla's touchscreen. CarPlay adapts the interface for safer driving with larger icons and simplified menus. If you're encountering issues with CarPlay mirroring, here are some common troubleshooting steps to try. First, try restarting both your iPhone and Tesla. Simply power off both devices completely, wait a few seconds, and turn them back on. This can resolve temporary glitches. Next, reset Bluetooth on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and toggle it off and back on. This refreshes the connection. Check for available software updates. On your iPhone, update iOS through Settings, General, Software Update. In your Tesla, check the touchscreen menu for software updates. If you're experiencing lag, note that normal latency for CarPlay mirroring is usually under 1 second, ensuring smooth streaming in optimal conditions. Finally, ensure location services are enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and turn it on. Also, grant CarPlay permissions in Settings, General, CarPlay. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support for further assistance. Looking ahead, the integration between iPhones and Tesla vehicles is poised for significant advancements. With the rise of over-the-air updates, wireless CarPlay usage has increased by 40% in 2025 alone. Expect even deeper integration with AI, enabling predictive app suggestions based on your driving habits. Voice-activated features, combining Tesla's Hey Tesla with Siri's capabilities, are becoming more common, reducing manual interactions for safer driving. App customization lets you pin favorite CarPlay apps directly to your Tesla dash, streamlining access to navigation, music, or messaging. Future updates, potentially through Tesla OS 2.0, may include augmented reality overlays on mirrored screens for enhanced navigation and hazard alerts. Adoption is expected to grow 25% annually through 2030, driven by iPhone's market dominance and evolving ambient computing trends. Experts from leading tech publications like CNET and MacRumors consistently praise Tesla's CarPlay implementation for its reliability and ease of use, rating it highly for seamless integration. Analyst Ben Evans has noted that this feature democratizes electric vehicle technology, making Teslas more accessible for iPhone users. User satisfaction with CarPlay mirroring is remarkably high. Surveys show that 85% of iPhone Tesla owners use the feature weekly, with 92% reporting positive experiences overall. CarPlay is utilized in 70% of U.S. electric vehicle purchases involving iPhones, demonstrating its widespread adoption and approval. However, it's important to be mindful of potential data sharing risks. While Tesla assures that no personal data is accessed beyond what's displayed on screen, privacy advocates recommend caution. To maintain optimal performance and security, always keep both your iPhone and Tesla software updated through regular over-the-air updates. In conclusion, Tesla's CarPlay integration represents a successful partnership between Apple and Tesla technologies, offering drivers a reliable and user-friendly way to connect their iPhones. With high satisfaction rates and expert endorsements, it continues to enhance the Tesla ownership experience while prioritizing safety and privacy.